Hi fans, you thought Tracker had gone to sleep, but here you are now. We're looking at these massive pelicans. There's Baldy there spreading his wings, he's doing a bit of a run. Yeah, he knows I'm here. Then you've got the black Egypts over there. And then you've got another one there. Super. Yes, I'll show that in a sec. And you got some fish in there and sort of stuff. We're here in Takanwa Park to see the cheetahs, my favorite animal in the world. And we're going to walk with the cheetahs today. And I'll hopefully be able to show you what happens. Look at this boy over here. Have you ever seen anything quite like that? This is Tracker for CNN, UTV, and my fans.